Today I received my One True God hat. We're gonna unbox it and do some first impressions. Comes in a regular box, as you can tell, pretty straightforward. The hat is looking really sleek. I went for the larger one for people with big faces. I've been gaining weight over the years, and so yeah, just wanted to pick something up that hopefully will fit me better. So I have a big noggin here, so I'm gonna adjust this. And today we're gonna talk about the stitching, the quality, the price to value ratio. We're gonna talk about the fit. The thing that drew me to this was this logo right here. It's very subtle and you know, very intriguing, and it's kind of like if you know kind of thing. So God is above the highs and the lows. I really love that. I really love that message. Really love that reminder. But I think most of all, I love that if it prompts some conversations, that's cool. If it doesn't, that's also cool. I just think it's a stylish hat. It does have this little cross thing here with a G for God, I'm assuming. But again, it's not overly like pushing anything on anybody. So that's what I love about it. At first glance, it looks kind of small, but I'm gonna throw it on here. Just for comparison, this is a Timberland hat that I always wear. I just like the way this fits, and in the Pacific Northwest this is pretty nice because it's thicker, so most of the time this is good. But now in the summer days I would like to wear something lighter, and so that's why I picked this guy up. Very breathable. So I'm going to put it on for the first time, and I got the flat one, and it looks good. I like the way it fits. It's just snug, but not too snug. There's some breathing room here. Yeah, make it a little bit bigger here. Probably just wear it very loose like this, and this will be my go-to hat for things like the beach and such. You know, more hats should be shaped like this. I like that this is a flat front, it's a high crown, so it just kind of makes my face look symmetrical, and I do really love that. So home run there. In terms of materials, this is a $42 hat with all-in shipping included. It does feel like a premium hat. There's no loose stitching, so the quality is there. So I do feel okay for paying $42. Normally for a hat like this, I typically would go to Marshall's or something like that to pick up like a Nike or Adidas, kind of just whatever wear around hat. 20 bucks, 25, maybe 15. And yes, you might be paying a little bit more than what the value of this hat is worth in terms of material, but you're supporting small business. Pretty happy about my purchase. I will be keeping this. Good job, One True God. It's a good product. I like that the hat is lightweight. It's gonna be super nice in the summer months. It's just gonna sit on the head, barely gonna feel that it's there, and I love this mesh here. It's gonna just let the heat escape from the top. Look forward to wearing this some more, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. Make it a great day. Catch you on the next one.